The P0050 code indicates a malfunction in the heater control circuit of the upstream heated oxygen sensor on Bank 2, Sensor 1. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1 in V6 or V8 configurations. Sensor 1 is the sensor located before the catalytic converter. The heater's job is to quickly warm up the oxygen sensor, ensuring accurate readings for optimal air-fuel ratio control. This directly impacts fuel efficiency, emissions, and overall engine performance. The heater in a heated oxygen sensor is crucial for vehicle performance. Without it, the sensor takes much longer to reach its operating temperature of around 600 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. This extended warm-up period results in increased emissions during cold engine starts. The heater acts as a resistive element powered by the vehicle's 12-volt electrical system, reducing warm-up time from minutes to just seconds. This significantly improves emissions control and fuel economy. The most common causes of the P0050 code include a faulty oxygen sensor due to age or contamination, corroded or damaged wiring in the heater circuit, a blown fuse related to the heater, and in rare cases, a failure within the engine control module. Exhaust leaks near the sensor and voltage drops from alternator issues can also contribute to the problem. Begin diagnosing the P0050 code with these steps. Step 1. Use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0050 code and check for related codes like P0030 or P0135. Step 2. Visually inspect the wiring harness for the Bank 2 Sensor 1 HO2 sensor, looking for corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Step 3. Check the fuse for the O2 sensor heater circuit. Step 4. Test the heater element resistance with a multimeter in the 3 to 30 ohms range. Out-of-range readings indicate a faulty sensor. Testing the heater circuit begins with the ignition on, but engine off. Use a multimeter to check for voltage at the O2 sensor heater connector. You should see approximately 12 volts. If voltage is present, but the sensor resistance is within the normal range of 3 to 30 ohms, the sensor may still be faulty. If there's no voltage, trace the wiring back to the fuse and relay, checking for continuity and proper function. Remember to disconnect the battery during wiring checks to prevent accidental shorts. When repairing the P0050 code, the most common solutions address the heater circuit malfunction. First, replace the Bank 2 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor. Using an OEM part ensures best results and warranty compliance. Second, repair or replace damaged wiring in the heater circuit. Ensure proper connections and insulation to prevent future corrosion. Third, replace a blown fuse. Identify the cause to prevent recurrence. In rare cases, ECM repair or replacement may be necessary, but this should be a last resort after ruling out all other possibilities. Real-world examples show how P0050 can appear in different vehicles with various underlying causes. These case studies highlight the importance of thorough diagnostics. In a Ford F-150, P0050 was traced to corrosion in the wiring harness near the hot exhaust manifold. The high temperatures in this area caused the wires to deteriorate over time. Replacing both the oxygen sensor and the damaged harness resolved the issue. A Chevrolet Silverado had P0050 due to a failed ECM relay providing power to the sensor. This caused intermittent voltage drops, preventing proper heater operation. Diagnosis revealed voltage below 10 volts, and replacing the relay fixed the problem. In a Toyota Camry hybrid, P0050 appeared during battery charging due to electrical voltage spikes. These fluctuations interfered with the heater circuit's stability. Sensor replacement corrected the issue, showing how hybrid systems can introduce unique electrical challenges. Preventing the P0050 code requires proactive maintenance and monitoring. Regular inspections and prompt repairs can save you from costly diagnostics and repairs. First, conduct regular maintenance checks. Visually inspect wiring harnesses and connectors for corrosion, damage, or loose connections. This simple step can catch issues before they trigger the P0050 code. Second, fix exhaust leaks immediately. Leaks can expose oxygen sensors to excessive heat or contaminants, leading to premature failure and the P0050 code. Regular checks prevent costly sensor replacements. Third, when replacing sensors, always choose OEM parts for reliability. Proper installation is crucial. Follow manufacturer torque specs and avoid damaging wiring during the process to prevent recurrence of P0050. Fourth, in hybrid vehicles, watch for voltage fluctuations during charging. Address any electrical system issues quickly, as these can cause intermittent P0050 codes and affect sensor heater performance. Finally, maintain an OBD2 scanner for regular monitoring. Early detection of trouble codes prevents small issues from becoming major problems like P0050, saving time and money on repairs. In summary, proactive maintenance, timely repairs, quality parts, hybrid-specific care, and regular monitoring with an OBD2 scanner are key to preventing P0050 issues and ensuring reliable vehicle operation.